In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Lemwarm score. So first, of course, log into your Lemlist dashboard. So if you already have a Lemlist account and if you're logged in with that, you can simply just switch to Lemwarm and you will also be automatically logged into your Lemwarm dashboard. So before you proceed in your actual dashboard, you must first, of course, be subscribed to a plan. So if you're currently not subscribed, you'll see this screen and there's four steps you need to go through before you can reach your actual dashboard. So here, just choose a plan and upgrade if you're not currently subscribed to any plan. And this is how your dashboard should look like. So inside, you'll see your Lemworm score displayed at the top. This score reflects your email health based on factors like deliverability, open rates, and inbox placement. You can also scroll down to see detailed metrics like how many emails land in inbox versus spam and your daily warm up progress. A good score means your emails are more likely to reach inboxes, so aim to keep it high by running Lemworm consistently. Thank you for watching this video. Also feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!